In this video I'm gonna to show you how to repair and scan all errors on your PC with Windows tool. So first thing you need to do, go to your C drive. After displaying C drive, click right button of your mouse and go to properties. Now here select tools, and in tools you will find error checking and optimize. So simple, click check. It will check all the errors on your PC. You don't need to scan this drive. In my case and it about my PC, we haven't found any errors on this drive. You can still scan the drive for errors if you want. So click scan drive. You can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. So click this one. So by this easy method and with Google tool, you can scan and repair errors. So now you can see your drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. So simple, close. Okay. Another way, go to search bar and type here CMD. Click right button of your mouse, command prompt, and click on run as administrator. Now type here sfc .exe space backslash type scan now. Now hit enter. So you can see begin system scan. This process will take some time. So really this can take a long time. It can take up to 15 to 20 minutes. So let it to run. You should scan your computer often for errors in order to keep it running at a smooth speed. If you need any more tips or tricks to keep your computer running very smoothly, check out the comment section. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.